Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study with Quizlet step by step. First, you'll want to create an account or log in to access all the powerful features. Once inside, you can easily search for millions of existing study sets created by others, or you can start fresh and build your very own. Remember to organize your sets into folders. This keeps everything tidy and simple to find later, saving you valuable time. Now, let's talk about building effective study sets. When creating your own, make sure to add clear terms and concise definitions for each card. To boost your memory, consider including images or diagrams. Visual aids can make a huge difference. For larger amounts of information, Quizlet allows you to import data directly from a spreadsheet, saving you a lot of typing and getting you to studying faster. Quizlet offers several dynamic study modes to help you learn. Flashcards are perfect for quick review and testing your active recall. The Learn mode adapts to your progress, guiding you through material until you've mastered it completely. For a deeper understanding and to solidify your knowledge, challenge yourself with the Write and Spell modes. Each mode provides a unique way to interact with your material, ensuring comprehensive learning. To truly maximize your learning, consider these advanced tips. Sharing your study sets with classmates or friends fosters collaborative learning and new perspectives. Always track your progress within Quizlet. This helps you pinpoint exactly which areas require more attention. And don't forget the mobile app. It allows you to study on the go, turning any spare moment into a productive learning opportunity, whether you have 5 minutes or 50.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.